Is it possible to get moksha without the blessings of ancestors? When one looks for moksha, one wants to be free from any cycle of suffering and pain and wants to be out of the cycle of death and rebirth. It will be interesting to know that this happens only with the blessings of ancestry. Until your ancestors give green signal to God, you will not be free. As said previously in the ancestral healing videos, the ancestors choose a strongest soul from the lineage to whom they give responsibility to heal the lineage. During that healing, they extend their full support to the soul. They get angry only when one doesn't keep their promise to heal and listens to their guidance and remain in their egos. During Pitra Paksha, divinity opens a portal for ancestors to visit this dimension easily and share blessings to the lineages. When Pitra arrives at the portal and notice that they were not able to visit the dimensions as their lineage has not done anything that can help in their situations to get them free from the dimension where they are currently living, they get disheartened. They also notice if the person is grateful for the lineage or not. If not, they get hurt, feel cheated, and cry for the negligence from the offspring. Their cries generate ripples in the universal tapestry, and the whole universe listens to their cries. Even heaven also listens because everything is connected. But no one could do anything except the souls who are part of the lineage. Now, how this healing relates to the moksha? As the sacred scriptures mention that soul can be free from the generational curse once its DNA gets upgraded, and DNA only gets upgraded when the consciousness rises, and consciousness is tied by three knots in the body. These psychic knots are Rudra Granthi, Vishnu Granthi, and Brahma Granthi. Without the blessing of ancestry, the glands that can free one's soul could not be untied. Brahma Granthi is the gland that can be opened with the blessings of ancestry. This is also the knot that is closest to the root chakra and helps in bringing stability and abundance. Brahma Granthi, when opens up, not only one get free from any pain and suffering, but one can experience an ultimate abundance accumulated by ancestors through lifetimes. Sometimes they open those hidden doors of abundance for the offspring who help them heal the lineage that the offspring himself cannot imagine the blessings of wealth and love. These blessings not only bless the soul for moksha but bhog and moksha together in the case of householder sadhakas, where one can enjoy bounty of nature's abundance and freedom from all the sufferings including immortality. Your daily simple ritual for acceptance of everything as it is and paying gratitude can help them heal faster. So, what's your call on ancestral healing? Do you want them to suffer or set them free? They have chosen you.